it should be nearby this area or below that area. Why? Because it's a very good candle. It's a very good green candle. So this candle's fluctuation. Hi everyone, welcome to another video of market analysis. In today's video, I'm going to explain you the importance of level. So first we'll try to understand what are the levels. And second, we'll try to apply the levels in the market and try to read the market structure by drawing the levels. Let's go, guys. All right, let's try to understand the level first. What are levels? There are two types of levels. One is resistance level. The line which we place on the top, that is called resistance level. The line which we place in the bottom of the market, that is called support level. So the line is basically, when we place lines based on past events, that is called support and resistance level. Right. For example, if you can see from here, buyers have entered in the past market. From here also, buyers have entered very strongly in the past market. So two times from the same place, buyers entered. So there are possibility that third time from this place, again, buyers can enter. Right. So these two lines I have placed based on these two past events. This is called support line because I have placed these two lines in the bottom of the market. Right. When we place the line on the top, like here, this is called resistance level. Right. This is called resistance level. So here you can see that from this particular place, now market is trying to move up. Why? Because in the past market, two times same thing happened. And what happened in the market can happen again in the market, right? So here you can see that buyers are trying to move up. So based on the lines, you can analyze the market properly, right? So let's see. Here buyers are good. Okay, buyers are nice in the market. Okay, I have placed these four lines here. Okay, buyers are so good. Okay, I think because buyers have entered already very strong nearby. See, this is a buyer's zone. We can consider it as a buyer zone. Why? Because from the same place, we have a good rejection, a very good candle. From here, we have a rally, right? A buyers entered very strongly in the market. From here also, we have a rally along with a good rejection from the buyer side. It means buyers are so nice at this place. Now, in the recent market, I can see that there are two green candles formed, right? This green candle tried to move down. So this was a seller's candle, right? But from here, market reversed and this candle closed as a very good buyer's candle. It means this is a very good buyer's entry. Right after that, again, one buyer's candle entered in the market. Same process, sellers tried, they failed because buyers are good nearby this level. So when I see these two candles are good with the power from buyer side, so there are more possibility that this candle can also close as a buyer's candle, right? So this is the process of analysis. And guys, the explanations that I'm giving you is based on my personal experiences. So do not consider it as a suggestion or anything like that. This is a risky market. I'm explaining you all the things so that you can understand it, like how to do it properly with education. So consider this video and all of my video as an educational videos only, right? Now here you can see that again, one buyer's candle have entered in the market. And when they have entered, they entered very strongly, right? With a good rejection from the buyer side. See, in CWRV concept, there is one thing that you have to understand, which is the upper wick is called seller's wick. The lower wick is called buyer's wick. No matter where the candle formed, no matter what color it is, in every candle, the lower wick is called buyer's wick. The upper wick is called seller's wick. Remember that. Now, let's try to analyze the market. So now we can see that market have broke this area, right? But created a new one. So this is a new line which market have respected. This is the new lowest point. You can see that on chart also it's written. There is a new low point, right? Which market have respected. So let's wait for it. Okay. Market is trying to move here again. So again, what we have to do, we have to understand the movement of the price nearby these lines, and that will tell you what can happen next in the market, right? So here you can see that again, market is trying to move up. Market already have respected this area. Now, again, there are possibilities that market will move in the same direction, means buyers can enter in the market. Why? Because again, sellers have a very wonderful opportunity to take control over the market, and they tried their best also. You can see that this candle reached out to this place, right? It means sellers are so powerful. But from here, again, buyers entered very strongly. And why buyers are trying to enter very strongly nearby these places? Because of previous events. Because of previous events. You can see that on the line, nearby the line, you can find only good rejections from the buyer side, along with good candles. Good candles, good candle, along with good rejection. Now here, there are continuously three candles. It's a rally. If you combine these three candles, you'll see a big green candle, right? So these things are happening nearby this place. So that's why we can consider this area as a very good buyer's area, right? So based on the lines, also you can analyze the market. All right. Let's move to, again, same pair, Euro USD. Okay. Let's increase the number. Okay, now here I can see that buyers have entered very strongly. I think market will move in the same direction. Okay, this is not a good thing because see, when market move up, you always have to check the opening price of the candle. This is not a very good thing that happened here. It should be nearby this area or below that area. Why? Because it's a very good candle. It's a very good green candle. So this candle's fluctuation can inspire the next candle. Because of that reason only, we can expect this candle to close as a green candle. But it's not necessary that this candle can close as a small green candle. This candle can be a big green candle also, right? Or this can be a very small candle also. So always precise with your analysis, and you have to understand from where buyers can enter, from where sellers can enter. There are so many things that I have to avoid while talking, and it's because of the process, right? Because I am trying to teach you guys how to understand the process of analysis, right? I'm not suggesting you anything. So again, consider this video as a good educational videos only. And it's a very risky market, so do not try to go in the market without any proper education. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something from this video, and please do subscribe this YouTube channel and share this channel with all your friends and family so that they can connect with me. And you can also follow me on my different social media platforms.